What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's me, Josh Bear.
And welcome back to another video. So, this is part 1 of Josh's Great Aussie Trip around Australia. In part 1, you'll be seeing some drone shots. So enjoy the rest of the video with a little bit of commentary. Bye guys! This is Wara Station. This was one of the best spots on our trip. The reason why? Because we could wake up in the morning and feel the ocean breeze hitting us through our caravan. The other reason? Because we could wake up in the morning and open our little window and see the beautiful horizon of the ocean. Is that beautiful? Yes, it is. Go to this spot and try it yourself. Bye. Roof Creek is a beautiful creek. Roof Creek is also a free campsite. And if you don't know what that means, it's just a campsite that you don't have to pay for. Bye! This is Cobber Station. It may look beautiful, But those waves out there, they are super big. I would not recommend surfing on them. Also, don't be alarmed, the glitches in the video are not your device. That's just my drone losing connection. Bye. This is a sheep shearing shed. Say that 10 times fast. Tongue twister. So, I made a YouTube video on this thing, but I can't find it. So, we're going to forget about that. This is a really cool destination. We had to 4-wheel drive to get there, so if you're in like a little SUV, you might not be able to get there, but still pretty cool. Even though it's really hot, doesn't matter. That's when you're traveling Australia, you're expecting hot. So, as you can see, it's definitely not in use anymore because there's no sheep in it. I mean, what's a sheep shearing shed without a sheep? Bit silly. So, yeah. Bye, guys. This is the pink lake. You're probably wondering, why is it pink? Well, there's a chemical reaction with the algae and the salt, because it's a salt lake, which makes the water pink. There's a little bit of science for you. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. See ya. So, bye, guys. And see you next time. Bye, guys.